Hello everyone, my today's topic is creating charisma as teachers. As we all know that we are working as teachers in the institutions. The most important duty of the teacher is to teach the students. Now, in the present scenario, the work of the teacher is not limited only to the teaching of the content for the subject, but it has broadened. And the most important thing is that now the very important objective for teaching is to do the all-round development of the students. We know that due to the COVID period, now there are so many YouTube channels and students are having access to that. If we are not able to make our teaching charismatic, then certainly students are not going to be regular and they will do their study through these channels. So if we want that students should be regular, they should follow our instructions, they should listen whatever we want to deliver the content, then certainly we must have, and it has become compulsory mandatory that we have to update ourselves and we have to make our teaching charismatic. In my opinion, there are many ways through which we can make our teaching charismatic. Now let's see what are they. The first thing is that according to me, that a teacher who likes to be surrounded by his students can become and can create charisma, because until unless we are having and we are able to create the trust for us in the students' heart, then we are not going to make and create and develop a bonding with the students. And if we are not going to develop any bonding with the students, then the students are not going to listen to us. And then certainly we will miss the closeness of the students, because if the students, we should be surrounded with the student, it will only be possible when we are having good bonding with the students. Next point is, make sure students understand lessons. Yes, it is also very important. I have seen that many teachers are there. They are teaching good, no doubt, but they are teaching, they are not concerned whether each and every student in the class are listening or not. Some students are sitting backside, they are talking, they don't want to listen. The teacher is teaching and he thinks that this is my duty to teach, now let them whether they listen or not, whether they understand or not. Then this teacher will not be liked by each and every student. Then passionate about their subjects. Yes, this is also very good topic, because unless we are passionate for our subject means we must have depth knowledge, deep knowledge in our subject. If we have, I know that tomorrow I have to teach this topic in this subject, then I must prepare that with beforehand, and we must update ourselves for that topic, because senior students judge the teachers also whether the teacher is having depth knowledge or not, whether he is connecting that knowledge of and that content of history with the present time or not, whether in political science, whether the teacher is giving the current content or not, updating information or not. If we are not giving these things, the students are not going to listen, and they will never respect us, and they will never be sincere in our class. So we must be passionate for our teaching. Then next is, make sure all students are listening. Yes, we should not leave those students who are sitting backside and talking. And sometimes they are sitting in the front also and they are talking. Or sometimes they don't talk, but they are mentally they are not present in the class. Mentally they are somewhere else. So we must focus that each and every student should be sincerely listen to us. This is also very, very important. Then apply hands-on techniques to make sure concepts are learned. Yes. As we know that in each and every subject there are so many terms, there are so many concepts which are not easy to understand. So we should adopt such type of technique that students are able to understand. If they are not able to understand, then we should two and three times explain the same thing. Maybe next day, then again next day, so that each and every student will be seeing, okay, ma'am is taking pain. If one student is not able to understand, still ma'am is trying to make him or her understand by giving day-to-day examples. So this will also enhance your teaching style also, and it will also create charisma in your teaching classroom. Next thing, cares about student success and future careers in the topic subject they teach. Yes. Suppose I am teaching history, I am teaching political science, I am teaching economics, or someone else or some other subjects. We must tell the students what is the use of this subject in future. Suppose I am teaching political science and I am teaching composition of Lok Sabha. I must tell here the student that in each and every competitive exams, entrance exams of graduation also, and in छोटे छोटे competitive exams में भी इसमें से questions जरूर आएंगे. Which type of questions are coming in the exam? We must tell to the student. Then he will listen carefully. Okay, this is beneficial for our future. And we must also tell कि किस subject का future में क्या scope है. सपोज बच्चा सोशलॉजी पढ़ रहा है, तो सोशलॉजी में नेक्स्ट इन फ्यूचर ही कैन ज्वाइन द एनजीओस ऑल्सो. वी मस्ट टेल दैट अनटिल अनलेस द स्टूडेंट्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेक द इंटरेस्ट. और जब इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं लेंगे तब फिर वी कैन नॉट मेक आवर टीचिंग जो है कैरिस्मेटिक टीचिंग नहीं कर सकते हम. देन नेक्स्ट इज यूज ऑफ ह्यूमर. यस, दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज समटाइम्स यूज ऑफ ह्यूमर मेक्स द इन्वायरमेंट वेरी we can say very light environment, and it should not be, the classroom should not be boring. So for making classroom interactive, and sometimes we should make the student laugh also. We should use some type of jokes also, some types of humor also, so that laughing is also makes the environment very happy. And then give them responsibilities. Yes, this is very important. Responsibilities अगर किसी बच्चे को मिलती है तो that child feels very important कि वो ma'am has given this responsibility to me. So the students who are not listening, the students who are not paying attention, the students who are not going good in study, we should give them responsibilities. Them also means कि those students को भी हमें responsibilities देनी चाहिए. So that they could feel important. Each and every student को फील कराना चाहिए कि हर बच्चा क्लास का इम्पोर्टेंट है, चाहे वो पढ़ने में वीक हो या जो है इसका प्रेजेंटेशन अच्छा ना हो, स्पीकिंग स्किल अच्छी ना हो, वॉट एवर इट इज. ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड इज इम्पोर्टेंट. Because I know in my class one student is there, I'm having fear that whether she will be able to pass the examination or not. But I know that she is a very good painter. Sometimes I appreciate her paintings. So this must be going on by the teachers. Then be empathetic. Yes, very important. Sometimes what happens, the students come with their own problems, sometimes family problems, sometimes what happens, if they are not regular, they tell us what is the reason. If the reason is genuine, we should also consider, because children are coming from many types of families. Might be some financial issues, sometimes family issues हो जाते हैं, sometimes होता है बच्चा बीमार, उसको देखने वाला घर पे कोई नहीं है. Sometimes what happens, the child is living by having a room, he is not well, और घर पे ही वापस नहीं जा रहा. We should take care. और ये जो एम्पैथी होती है, बिलीव मी, आई हैव सीन दैट ये जो है बच्चे को हमारे लिए उसके दिल में जो रिस्पेक्ट होती है, जो प्यार होता है ना, वो उस एक बच्चे को ही नहीं चेंज करता, बट हमारी क्लास की इन्वायरमेंट को भी चेंज करता है. Because other child will know, okay, ma'am is just caring, and that child will also understand and feel. So this is very important. And next is have fun. Yes, sometimes we can do in classroom also. Sometimes we can manage a few types of game, like in extra classes are allowed for half hour daily. I used to allow 2 to have game. They were having few different types of games which were just related to the subject also. Then I came to know, yes, your students are knowing the many name of the countries, then their capitals, then the currency of the countries. So this is also very important. That sometimes fun should be there in the class. According to me, all these points, if we are going to follow, this certainly is going to make our class very transformed. Means the students will have fun and learning attitude also. So I feel and I do follow all these points, and the teachers who are not following, if they will follow, then certainly they will observe the change. Thank you.